Hey guys, my name is Mario and today we are going to be creating a video at the Celebrity Car Showroom. A few cars in this beautiful place. We're going to make a video out of it and you're joining. Let's go. Okay, we're going to do the first shot where the model is going to stand over there. I'm sweating so much. We got the lights on and it's going to be a dynamic shot. We're going to zoom out of the logo first and then go into the car and then transition in the back of the car with the model, and let's see how that goes. Senyum. I think we got it. We got shot number one. We're done with the SLK and we're going to move on to the next car. Preferably the BMW because it's black too, and we went into the deck which was also black, so that will give a very smooth transition, and after the second shot we go. Okay, we have the BMW now, the black one, where we're going to be doing our second shot. Dian is inside the car with at the steering wheel. We're going to transition, show her smile, transition away out of the door. Very difficult shot because the ultra wide is not that powerful in low light situations, but we're going to make the best out of it with some lighting, and this is going to be a beautiful transition. Let's go. Okay, Dian, 3, 2, 1, senyum. Ayan lampunya. Terima kasih banyak, Irfan. Okay, we're doing shot number 3 now, where we transition into the door in the shot before, and now we're going to transition out of the hood, show the BMW, and then zoom into the logo to transition into the Mini. All right, it's going to look beautiful. Have the final shot now, where as you can see Dian is on top of the Mini Cooper. We're gonna come out of the logo and end the video. This is the final shot. It looked really good, but the thing is it was a bit too dark, so we added 2 lights now, and we're gonna retry that shot and then end the video. This is how it looks like. We got all the shots we need, 4 shots in total, showcasing 3 of their cars. All shot on the phone. I'll show you the final result right now. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. All shot on the phone. Let me know what you think. That was it for today's video, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.